Did you know that the Forex market is the largest financial market in the world, with a daily trading volume exceeding $6 trillion? That's more than all the stock markets combined. Welcome to the world of Forex trading, where global currencies are bought and sold 24/7. As a beginner, you might think trading Forex is complicated, but what if I told you there's a way to make it easier and more profitable? Enter AI, a game changer in the world of Forex trading. But before we dive in, let's set the stage. Forex trading is all about buying and selling currencies, trying to predict which ones will rise or fall in value. It's a lot like betting on a horse race, but with a lot more variables. The beauty of AI in Forex trading lies in its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and trends that human traders might miss. And in 2024, AI is more accessible than ever, making it the perfect time to jump in. In this video, we'll explore the world of AI-powered Forex trading, and I'll share some easy tips and tricks to get you started. Whether you're new to Forex or just looking to level up your trading game, you're in the right place. So, what are some of the biggest challenges new traders face in the Forex market? Well, for starters, emotions play a huge role. Fear, greed, and anxiety can cloud your judgment, leading to impulsive decisions that cost you money. Then there's the lack of data analysis skills, which can make it tough to identify profitable trades. And let's not forget about risk management. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of trading and forget to set stop losses or limit your exposure. Emotional decision-making can lead to a vicious cycle of revenge trading, where you try to recoup losses by making more aggressive trades. This is a surefire way to blow up your account. Many new traders fall into the trap of overtrading, buying and selling currencies based on gut feelings rather than solid analysis. Without a solid understanding of technical and fundamental analysis, it's hard to make informed trading decisions. Risk management is crucial in Forex trading, but it's often overlooked in the excitement of the trade. New traders often lack discipline, failing to stick to their trading plans and strategies. Trading without a clear plan or strategy is like going on a road trip without a map. You're bound to get lost. Most traders don't take the time to backtest their strategies, which means they're flying blind in live markets. The Forex market is highly volatile, and without a solid understanding of market dynamics, you can get caught out by unexpected moves. News and events can greatly impact currency prices, but many traders don't know how to incorporate this information into their trading decisions. Trading alone can be isolating, and it's easy to get stuck in your own ways without outside perspectives or guidance. Many traders fail to adapt to changing market conditions, sticking to strategies that no longer work. The lack of accountability is a major issue in Forex trading. Without a trading community or mentor, it's easy to slack off or make excuses. In the Forex market, information overload is real, and it's hard to separate signal from noise. Fear of missing out, or FOMO, can drive traders to make impulsive decisions, which often end in disaster. And finally, many traders struggle with patience, always looking for that one big trade that will make them rich overnight. So, how can AI address these challenges and make trading Forex easier and more profitable? Well, for starters, AI can provide data-driven insights, helping you identify profitable trades and avoid costly mistakes. AI-powered trading bots can automate trades, removing emotions from the equation and ensuring that you stick to your trading plan. With AI, you can backtest strategies quickly and efficiently, giving you the edge you need to succeed in live markets. AI can also analyze vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and trends that human traders might miss. By incorporating AI into your trading strategy, you can create a more diversified portfolio, reducing risk and increasing potential returns. AI can help you stay on top of market news and events, providing real-time analysis and insights that inform your trading decisions. With AI, you can trade 24/7, even when you're not at your desk, giving you an edge over other traders. AI can also provide a level of accountability, helping you stay on track with your trading goals and strategies. The beauty of AI is that it's constantly learning and adapting, helping you stay ahead of the curve in rapidly changing markets. In addition, AI can help you avoid common pitfalls like emotional decision-making and impulsive trading. By leveraging AI in your Forex trading, you can create a more efficient and profitable trading strategy. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to use AI in your trading. There are many user-friendly tools and platforms out there that can help you get started. So, let's take a look at a real-life example of how AI can supercharge your Forex trading. Meet John, a successful trader who saw his profits soar after incorporating AI into his strategy. John was struggling to make consistent profits, but after switching to an AI-powered trading bot, he saw his returns increase by over 50%. John's story is just one example of how AI can transform your Forex trading, but the potential benefits are endless. By combining human intuition with AI-driven insights, John was able to create a trading strategy that's both profitable and sustainable. John's success didn't happen overnight. It took patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But with AI on his side, John was able to overcome common challenges like emotional decision-making and lack of data analysis skills. John's story is proof that AI can level the playing field in Forex trading, giving beginner traders a shot at success. So, what can we take away from today's video? Using AI in Forex trading can help you overcome common challenges, make more profitable trades, and stay ahead of the curve in rapidly changing markets. Trading Forex with AI is no longer the exclusive domain of seasoned pros. It's now accessible to anyone with an internet connection. So, what do you think about using AI in Forex trading? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. And if you like this video, be sure to check out my other videos on trading strategies and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.